In this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use the error data that gets sent to Rollbar to make an automated decision in a build pipeline. Behind the scenes, this demonstration is making use of two Rollbar API calls. So the first one is the API that notifies Rollbar that a deployment has been done. And the second API call is this API call here, which is giving me the detailed information about items in Rollbar associated with a particular code version running in a particular environment. In this demonstration here, what we're going to do is we're actually wrap the API call with a Python script that's available here in the Rollbar customer engineering team GitHub account. And in this case here, we're going to pass it three parameter values, so an access token, a code version, and the environment name. So I'm going to move over to my Jenkins build environment, and I'm going to just show you how I configured the build. So there are a number of scripts that run here. So essentially at the end of my build, I deploy the application. I notify Rollbar of a deployment. I execute some tests. I give the app, I allow my build to sleep for a period of time to give Rollbar enough time to completely analyze and group the errors. And then at the end here, I'm making a call here which will check the status of that particular build. So again, we have the access token, we have the git commit number, and the name of my build environment here is called Jenkins. So I'm going to execute the build. And here we can see the build is running. Some tests will have executed, and we'll get information about whether or not this build has introduced new errors. Let's go ahead here and look at the output. So if we go down here to the bottom, what we can see here is that we were checking for new or reactivated errors using the Python script. And in this case here, it found 15 new items that had never been seen before, and therefore returned a non-zero status code, and then the build was marked as failed. Just down at the bottom here, just sort of some extra information in terms of this. Here is the format of what the API response would be. And we can see here just a standard JSON HTTP response. And we can see here that there are 15 new, in this case here, errors. There were 4 new warnings, and there were 9 info items in this particular build. So what we can see here is that very easily you can use the very accurate information that Rollbar gives you to make an automated decision in a build pipeline.